So today we are going to see how to write a program without writing the main function. So everywhere you will get to read that you cannot write a C program without a main function. So that is somewhat true. You cannot write a C program without a main function. But there's a workaround for this kind of stuff. So you can assign another name for the main function. Like you can there's a keyword called type definition, which allows you to define another type. Either you can use that thing, or this is the way you can use hash define. You can say preprocessor directive to change the name of the function, or you can mask the original name with a new name. So here I have written everything remains the same. Okay, so only part that changes is I have written a hash define statement. Hash define begin main, and I have used int begin instead of int main. So that's the major difference here. Okay. So everything else is same. I have written hash include studio.h. There is a standard input output. Then I have written console input output.h. Yeah, all those things. So only thing that you have to change is hash define begin main. So any keyword you can substitute with any other keyword. So if you are bored of writing printf, so you can also write hash define pf space printf. Okay, then anywhere you write pf, it will be considered as printf. So these are small hacks you can try out in C programming. Okay, so that's it. uh, so let's see how to run this code. Yeah, I generally don't run the C code directly. I write batch files for that. So here I'll show you what is the content of the batch file. So I have installed GCC on Windows. Yeah, that is the best thing I would do. Okay. So I would recommend you all guys also to use GCC. So GCC minus O stands for the object file name. Okay. So the first parameter is the name of the object file that is to be generated. So I have written nomain space nomain.c, the original file which has the code, that is nomain.c. It will generate nomain as the object file. I have used the same name, you can use different name as well, and it will also generate an exe with the same name. Okay, so let's see how it works. Double click on that batch file. Okay, so now see here executable file is generated. I will click on that file. See, the code has nomain, right? So I have written there a printf statement inside the code, and that's how it's done. Okay, thank you.